Let's explore the Inventory module, the core of WizeMonitor, where you can manage, monitor, and troubleshoot all your network and AV devices from a single place. At the top of the page, you'll see 3 categories: all devices, network devices, and AV devices. Select a category to filter the inventory. You can also use the search bar to quickly find devices by name, IP address, or vendor. Additional filters let you narrow the list by status, device type, or location, and you can switch between grid and list views depending on your preference. The toolbar provides quick actions such as add device, update device configs, refresh, export, and audit trail. Export downloads the current device list, while audit trail generates a PDF containing device status history. Let's add a device. Click Add Device. You'll see 2 options: single device and multiple devices. For a single device, first choose whether you're adding a network device or an IP device. For a network device, enter the IP address, select the device company, and then choose the appropriate connection protocol. The available protocols depend on the selected vendor and may include RESTconf, SNMP, WinREM, or IPP. Next, provide the required credentials based on the selected protocol. Then enter a custom name, choose the device type, specify the device location, and select a device setting profile so the appropriate thresholds and AI configuration are applied. If required, you can also associate the device with a parent device. Once all the required information has been entered, click Add Device. WizeMonitor starts a background discovery task, and after the process completes, the device appears in the inventory with its live status. To onboard multiple devices at once, switch to the Multiple Devices tab. Upload a supported CSV or Excel file containing the required device information, then click Import Devices. WizeMonitor automatically processes each device in the background, making bulk onboarding fast and efficient. To view more information about any device, simply click on it. This opens the Device Details panel. Here you'll see key information such as the IP address, MAC address, vendor, current status, and last check time. Depending on the device type, you can explore additional tabs, including Overview, System, Hardware, Resources, Security, and Network. The Audit Logs section displays the device's status history, including when it entered healthy, warning, critical, or offline states. This history can also be exported as a PDF. If you want to retrieve the latest information from the device, simply click Refresh, and WizeMonitor will collect updated data from the device. For network devices, you'll also find the AI chat option. Clicking it opens the Device Assistant, where you can ask natural language questions such as, what is the CPU and memory usage? Show interface status, or why is this device showing a warning? WizeMonitor analyzes the device using the configured protocol and AI provider, then returns a clear, easy-to-read response to help with troubleshooting. For AV devices, instead of AI chat, you'll see the bandwidth monitor. This provides live upload and download statistics, a real-time traffic graph, and monitoring controls, allowing you to observe network activity for AV endpoints. From each device row, you can also edit or delete a device whenever required. The Inventory module serves as the central hub for managing, monitoring, and troubleshooting all your network and AV devices from a single interface. Thank you for watching.